Okay, so check this out right over here. We are going to be doing a unboxing review and test on the rechargeable battery wall sconce lights that we're going to be doing a unboxing review and test on. And in this unboxing review and test, we are going to open everything up and show you guys more in depth about these battery wall sconce lights. So without going any further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package. Okay, so this is everything that you get inside this package, and one thing you need to keep in mind is that these are real crystal glass, and this right over here is you can see how beautiful these crystals look like. And one goes up right over here that you can see, so I put one here. The other one after that, so we have 4 of them. The other one goes on the bottom right over here. And you can see the gold plate, the finish is really beautiful. You can see how beautiful the finish is. It comes with the remote control as well too, and to turn it on and off. And then right over here, we get our brackets to install it as well too. But what we're gonna do now is that we are going to mount this up, and then after that we are going to show you guys the finished results. So without going any further, let's install it and then show you guys the finished product look. Okay, so step number 1 is to get your bracket and place it to where you're trying to put the location, and from there we are going to get our screws. It comes with some screws provided right over here. You can see this, and from there we are going to start drilling, and from there the screws, they should go in something like this, and then we are going to use a Phillips head screwdriver to screw it inside. So without going further, let's put the bracket in, and then I'm going to drill these 2 holes from here. Okay, so this right over here is the finished results of the rechargeable wall sconce lights. One thing I love about these lights is that it's extremely beautiful. You can see how it changes the entire interior appearance of my home. But this right over here is 100% real crystal glass, extremely delicate and fragile, that you must be careful whenever it comes time to charge it up. It does come with a Type-C charger as well too. So this right over here, there's a cable that it comes with, which is right over here. This cable, when it comes time to charge it up, you use this and then it'll just automatically charge up like that. And then right over here, we get also a touchless sensor on top. So if I tap this on here, it closes on like that. So if you want to do it manually, then you hit the button again. Then right over here, you could change it to a natural white. Then we get a cool white color, and then turn it off again. Then we get a warm white as well too. And then you could control it like that through the touchless sensor on top of the module. Then right over here, it also comes with the remote control. So this is probably one of the best methods to use instead. And this right over here, you could use this. So let's say, for example, you could have it on for a 2-hour duration. It will just turn on like that. It will be on for 2 hours, a 4-hour duration. Then right over here, we get a 3K color option as well too. Then after that, we get a 6K color option. Then after that, last but not least, a 4K color option. Let me turn off the lights again to show you guys. So this is how it looks like right over here. And then after that, one cool also part I love about it is that it is also rotatable. So let's say, for example, you want to put it in a design, so you can have it like horizontal. I can have it like this. Or if you want to have it in a custom design, have it something like this. And then I'll move this one right over here. Have it something like this way, right over here. So just like that, you can see you could change the color, the positions on how you want your lights to be. So it would be like this, or you could just place it vertical or horizontal, or you can have a custom option like I have right over here. But other than that, I would definitely recommend these rechargeable wall sconce lights if you are looking for a way to improve the appearance of the interior of your home and to change the appearance. Then this right over here, these rechargeable battery wall sconce lights are by far one of the best ones to get. You could just dim it down like this. So I could just use a remote, just put it back on bright like that, change the colors like that, hold the button, have it to custom different color modes as well too. It comes with 3 different color options as well. But if you are looking for a way to change your appearance to your home of the inside, then this right over here is by far one of the best products to get, and I would definitely recommend these rechargeable battery wall sconce lights.